Hello friends! Finally, after 14 years, I'm back on YouTube. As you can see on my channel, I uploaded my first video 14 years ago. But then I had an accident and couldn't continue. I lost my finger in that accident, and ever since, due to a lack of confidence, I always hid it. But I finally decided to start this page to overcome this trauma and show my finger so I can get used to it. We Iranians have a poet named Maulana who is known globally as Rumi. Rumi was a philosopher who expressed his thoughts through poetry. I learned from him that what is inside a person matters much more than their appearance. Rumi has a poem that says, ظاهر نقره گر اسپید است و نو دست و جامه می سیه گردد از او, which means that while silver might look bright, white and beautiful on the outside, it actually blackens your body and clothes. He basically wants to say that people's thoughts, ethics and behavior are what truly matters, not their looks. So I decided to make my mind beautiful and stop worrying about my appearance. By the way, I named my finger Bilbo because we are going to go on many adventures together on this page. After all, every object has a story behind it. Stay tuned and join me on this journey.